Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. So today we are doing another slime video. We had so much fun filming the first one, so we wanted to try out some other slime. So if you did not see the latest video, we checked out Snoop slimes and Peachy Babies. I call them fancy slimes because they're very expensive. They range from like $15 to $18 per slime. And I want to say you got like 7 ounces. They were very, very cool. You guys should check out that video. What we wanted to do was we went to Five Below and we picked out 3 slimes for each girl. And they were $5 each. So we spent around $32 for 6 slimes. And the other slimes, we got 4 of them and those were $90. So we just kind of wanted to see how these compare. First one they want to get into, this is actually from PlayDoh brand. It's called Crystal Crunch, and I just assumed that these were slimes. They look like it, huh? Yeah. But the cool thing that they liked about these is that you can wear them as a ring and the slime goes in there. So we wanted to check these out, and each girl got one. Arya's is blue and
it's like
silver, clear.
It's clear.
Oh! So the blue one is scented peppermint and the clear one is coconut.
This one is pineapple and this one is cupcake, but I also, to just make sure that you know, I also am allergic to pineapple.
Oh, you are? I hope you're not allergic to this. Think it'll be okay? Okay. All right, so we're gonna dig into these and see what these are all about. These are huge. If you guys wore these as rings for real.
Not this one.
Okay, it's very, very sticky.
Let me try.
Yeah, this one's the pepperminty one. Ooh, that is not a great texture. It's really hard. Oh my gosh, I can't even get it out. I wonder if we should add something to this, like that glycerin or something. Oh my gosh, yeah.
Oh, that is a really
Ooh, that is a
texture.
weird smell.
I don't like this.
It smells like Elmer's glue.
It does not smell great. Right off the bat,
I think it is like a 3 out of 10.
3 out of 10. Oh, well, I'm sure this one's gonna be the same. But the smell, it doesn't smell like coconut, right? Right off the bat, it's the same texture. Okay, no, this one is the minty one. Ooh,
Is
yuck.
this what coconut smells like?
I don't know. I am not impressed with these. I'm so happy we bought 4. Well, you know what? We are going to try using the glycerin stuff to kind of like, they say to, like with the other slimes, they said to add a little bit of lotion, but we've been watching a lot of slime videos and I've seen that they add vegetable glycerin to it. So I think we might try to do that and just see if that helps with the...
Yeah,
I feel like this one's just a little better than the white.
Really?
But first, you probably don't want to add too much because it might ruin the slime.
Yeah, we'll just do a little bit at a
I
time.
give it like a 5 out of 10.
Oh wow, that one's a 5.
It's just like.
Does it crunch? Barely.
Sort of.
Whoa.
Look at this one. It's like actually stretchy.
Ooh. I think this is supposed to be the cupcake.
Does it smell like
Okay.
Elmer's glue.
this one smells like Elmer's glue.
Let me smell that one.
Ugh. This is sticky.
Like it smells like sweet, but
It smells very artificial.
Try.
it smells a little better than the Elmer's glue smell one.
Sorry?
It's not made to smell like Elmer's glue.
Smells kind of sweet.
All right, should we move on to the next one?
Wait, no, but look at this. It's actually kind of
does
stretchy.
it-
Sticky.
Ooh.
It doesn't even.
Oh, this one feels the best, I feel like.
I
It's
think
kind
that
of a
one's like
special-
at least an 8 out of 10.
Oh wow, you're giving it an 8? I would say like a 3 for all of them.
Well, maybe this one's at least a 5.
Okay.
But this one,
She's being nice.
definitely a 1.
Okay. This thing is huge. So it's 24 ounces, it says, and it's just crazy, slimy, gold glitter slimy. I don't know, I just thought that was kind of cool. For $5, that's like that's a pretty big thing of slime. So this actually feels pretty good. Wow, it's pretty stretchy. This is actually decent. Ooh, it smells like paint.
Wait, let me smell.
Really?
Well, what
Kind
slime?
of. Yeah,
Oh,
it just doesn't
this-
have any like,
The slime we made smelled like that pretty much too.
yeah, it doesn't have like a scent.
Wait.
So it's whatever the materials were used. Oh my gosh, this is kind of cool. All
Yeah, it is.
That's so. It kind of
Let's
feels
try to
like.
make a bubble.
right, I want to see if it squishes. Oh, it kind of makes noises.
Wait, can I try?
So, I mean, this one's not bad. Do you guys think we should add anything to it? Like if we tried adding some of the glycerin?
No, I don't think
You
so.
don't
I
think it
think
needs
that
it?
one's good.
Maybe just like one.
I
drop
give
of
it
at least.
7 out of 10.
7?
I give it a 6.
I don't know. I'm kind of giving this one like a 9. I mean, this one's pretty cool.
I give it a 6.
All right, well, the critics have spoken. Not bad. For $5 for a $5 slime, this one's not bad, right?
Yeah.
And the glitter is not getting all over my hands. There's a little bit, but you guys want to squeeze it a little bit?
Oh, that feels so
It's
weird.
heavy.
I want to see.
It's so heavy. Listen to this. Okay, watch.
All right, let her do some ASMR.
It sounds so weird.
This one is a plus, don't you think?
Yeah.
Let-
Aria, you can
let
try.
Aria try. All right, you play with that one.
Can I-
Let's open. Yeah. All right, we're gonna dig into this one next. This one is also from the same brand, Crazy Slimy. This is a triple dessert 3-in-1, and you are getting. Okay, so you're getting almost 8 ounces. Ooh. And this one has a little.
I hope they don't mix.
Right. Oh, yeah.
Those ones look really deactivated.
Oh, these do not smell at all. Take out, here, you want the pink one?
Yeah.
Ooh, there's stuff at the bottom.
Oh yeah.
This is so sticky. Hold on, oh gosh.
Oh no.
Oh gosh, I'm a slime rookie. Oh my gosh, there's all these. I think I got it all out. Here, what do you think of that one? Oh, Aria, you can play with the foam balls. You can put that one away.
It's so
This
cool.
one
It makes some good
is-
pops.
This one's kind of like the pink one from the
Snoop
the
slimes. Oh, did you see that?
It's like the exact
What?
same color,
Oh, it's
but
fine.
it's like
Wow.
it's like the same texture, but it just has like some beads. It's like really sticky, but it's stretchy.
It is pretty stretchy. I mean, this isn't horrible.
Yeah, it's
Here,
not
do you want to
so
try this
bad.
one and then I'll take out the purple? It's very sticky, so I wonder maybe we could spray some of our spray on it.
Yeah.
Does this one have balls?
Oh, yeah, that is
Yes, all of them have balls.
Oh, okay. So, I mean, this isn't bad. For $5, you get 3 different kinds, or 3 different colors.
It's pretty good,
Oh,
but
wow.
it's just
This
that
one has like hard beads.
Look at these are the beads for
What's
like
this? Oh, it's a little heart charm.
no, but look at those are like the exact same beads as my necklace.
Oh yeah, totally.
Cause I have a mini one.
Okay, well, what do you guys rate this one out of 10?
like these ones.
the stickiness, like the texture, probably like
Oh.
uh
Just overall, like, what do you give it?
I will give it a 5.
5? Is it too sticky, you think?
Yeah, I
It
can.
is pretty sticky.
I can.
Well,
barely
the stretchiness, I'll give it like a 7.
the stretchiness is pretty good.
Oh, and I can't remember if we said, but this one doesn't have a scent either. Did we already say that? Which is kind of
This one
deceiving.
kind of smells like cupcakes for some reason. Smell it.
Not any cupcakes I want to eat. So this one is called the Triple Dessert Cupcake Frosting, Party Cake, and Cake Batter Crunch. So it's kind of interesting that it doesn't have a smell, but because you would think it would smell like cake or something, but it does not. So this one is from the same brand, Crazy Slimy Blue Smoothie. Says it has a sweet scent. It says, what toppings will you get? So, okay, yeah, this twists off. It doesn't really stay on very good, but this part comes off, and then there's some little foam. Are these
I'm gonna
foam?
put them in.
Foam balls, right?
Foam beads.
Foam beads. It's got a
They're
little
satisfying
straw.
to play with.
They are. It's got a little straw, and then what's in here?
I think an eraser because it said on the
it comes
front.
with an eraser.
It said on the front. like one bag of foam beads and one eraser.
Okay, so it's a cute little blueberry eraser. That's kind of cute.
Hey, you have to add.
Ooh,
you put
it's
this over?
very sweet and artificial smelling. Oh, this is another thing. She noticed this. This one says it's supposed to be 10 ounces. So look, this looks huge, right? Yeah, if you look at this side, it goes all the way up to like almost the middle. So you're not getting like, you're maybe getting like half of what you thought you were getting.
Yeah.
She noticed that. So, I mean, it is, ooh, this is sticky. So it is all along the side. Here, I'm gonna just get it on the tray and then you can add the beads. Whoa,
Really sticky.
whoa. It's got a really good texture. Wow, look at this one. This one's really stretchy. All right, add those foam beads.
Make a little hole, make sure it doesn't make a mess.
Yeah, like the last
What are you, like
time
the slime
we
expert?
tried.
Because the last time, like, we made our own
Oh,
slime and
okay.
then it got all over the place. We kept on finding it.
All right, I'll do it. Just get out.
ASMR. Maybe not. Uh-oh, they're still going everywhere.
Really?
These are just different. Like compared to the Snoop slimes and the Peachy Babies, these are just different, right?
Yeah.
I mean, they're don't get me wrong, they're not bad for store-bought, but you definitely get what you pay for with the other ones. Like, yeah, they are a little bit pricier, but they're really, really good.
Oh, I wish it was actually the amount of slime that you thought it was.
Yeah.
They
Oh
tricked
my
us.
gosh.
Like, Mommy, like, put your hand and, like, try to, like, get off.
On to the last slime. Okay, so this one is from the same brand as well. Are they all from the Crazy Slime?
Yeah.
Except for the PlayDoh brand, right?
Yeah,
This one is called Red Velvet, and it looks like a little cupcake. It's super cute.
it's just like that one, but
Something
it's
in the
not really a
top,
drink.
though.
Oh,
Wait,
I don't
there's
think
a little thing to open it, like, right here.
I don't think there is, but you can check it out.
Kinsley's does it too. Kinsley's does it too.
It does. So it's even less than we were thinking.
It's a too little amount, I feel like.
Well, it's only $5, so.
Really? Like,
Ooh, that smell is nasty. It says it has a sweet scent. It definitely does not. Oh, that one stinks. So, yeah, this one feels...
that hurt my nose.
Sorry. This one feels like the same consistency as the blue one. Oh, and it's got a bunch of beads in here.
I feel like
I don't think there's anything in that part, Kinsley, because it's all at the bottom. I can try to cut it open, but... So these just look to be like little heart beads in here. Yeah, this one, it feels very similar to the blue one. Very sticky. Yeah, same exact texture. Do you think it needs it?
just one squirt.
Just do a couple squirts. So yeah, and this is probably the smallest, well, besides the
rings,
rings.
and this one.
That one's your favorite, huh?
Yeah,
wanna play with this one,
such
Kim?
good pops.
Okay, so all the slimes. I know which one her favorite is. What's your favorite?
This one's my favorite.
What's your favorite?
Probably for the best scent would be, like, I think this was my favorite scent,
Okay.
but my favorite texture was probably this one or that
Really?
one.
This one's my favorite. I would say this one overall is the best bang for your buck because you're getting the most slime and
And it's only $5
it's
and
$5.
it really makes good pops.
yeah, this one is good. Like, I mean,
Can I
and
use the tray, Kinsley?
they had a bunch of other colors too, so like you could get this and like a bunch of kids could play with it, you know, like because there's so much in here. Yeah, this one is definitely the best. All right, guys, well, that is our video. I hope you guys enjoyed. it's definitely different. So these are definitely different than the ones that we in our last video. Like those, you can tell those were definitely more high end. Those were my fancy slimes, I like to call them. So, but these are not bad either. I know not everyone wants to spend $20 on one slime, so you could go to Five Below and get 4 of them. So they're $5 a piece. So yeah, overall, I'm happy with these. I think they're happy too. You guys want to add anything to the video?
Bye and have a great day.
Okay. You?
I love slime.
All right. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you on our next video. Bye.